From this video, I mentioned that I only needed systems in place for my 2026 goals, that is, the habits that I want to imbibe. But just so we're on the same page, in the context of achieving a goal, a system is the collection of daily processes and rituals that drive your progress. Without systems, it means that you are relying on intensity and motivation rather than consistency. And those two, intensity and motivation, can rarely ever sustain a long-term transformation. Simply put, they are not enough to sustain your goal. Now, using a very simple minor goal of me wanting to cultivate the habit of drinking water every morning when I wake up, that can have a system like this. Me filling up an empty bottle before going to bed every night so that when I wake up first thing in the morning, I see the filled bottle and that prompts me to drink water even before I get out of bed. That is what a system can look like. But before you go, I did promise that we'll get a prompt for you to figure out the systems that you would need to put in place to achieve any goal that you set. So here goes. Open any AI model that you regularly use and type the prompt in it. Do not forget to change the duration for your goal. And please, you want to be real with the time that you want your goal to be achieved. Do not deceive yourself. If you don't have an AI model that you regularly use, I recommend Google's Gemini, which is what I use as well. Now, when you throw in a prompt and you get a response back, do not be shy. AI is what we've got on our hands at the moment, and we're going to use it to the max. If you know how to use it, it is a life-changing tool. Let me show you what I mean. After I got a response from the first prompt that I gave it, a part of what I'm supposed to do in month 1 is to watch 3 great speakers and study how they gesture, how they structure their words, how they pace their sentences, and so on and so forth. When I saw that, I'm not just going to shake my head and say, okay, that is what I have to do. I'll go back there and ask again, who are the 3 speakers that you recommend to me that I can learn these things from? Use it to the max. Any goal that you have in mind at all, a system can be created for it. All you have to do is to show up and do the actions. It is that simple.